guys, Anthony here from XXX Garage, and what I'm working on over here is, get this light out of the way here. It's what I call my comp rig. Basically, it's the one that's got all the high modifications on it. I mean, probably not as strict out as some of you guys' rigs out there, but for me, it's the one I will beat up, bash up, and run to death, whatever it takes to win. Not that I win, but you know, whatever. And got the tires and wheels off of it right now. These are the Pitbull Rock Beast ROX. These are some pretty good tires. These got the alien compound. They're pretty sticky. And the wheels I'm running on is the Vanquish ones, which are the imitation Vanquish. Basically, this is what I'm talking about. This is a real Vanquish. There's a different pattern on this one here, but basically there's real Vanquish. And if you flip it over, this is why we call it a Vanquish, because it looks just like a Vanquish underneath. Installs, you know, mounts up the same way. Difference is you can buy 4 of these things for like 80 bucks, or well, maybe even less than that, like 60 bucks, where you'll get 2 of these for about that price. Then you still got to buy the hubs. So that's the difference. I mean, other than these are really good rims, you know, wheels. But I'm running these because this way here, if I run it hard and I mess up a screw or something here, I'm not going to be too upset about, where if I mess these up, it's just going to make me feel ugly. So what we're doing today, the reason I got tires off, last video I was running, my steering was acting a little weird and couldn't figure out why, and I think it was just because the servo arm was messed up, and I think the servo is not as strong as I want it to be. So taking it off. This is a TRX4. It's one I had put the sliders on, and it's got the Slate motor with the Mamba X ESC on it. Alright, here's the servo wire. It's disconnected, and let me go ahead and get my wrench. Boy, this thing's dirty underneath there. All that grass got in there. That's the one that's stripped right there. If I can get that out of here without... Okay, well, looks like I don't have my next fly like I wanted to, but this is just as good. It's a 25 kg. They're all the same company for the most part. I mean, Red Cat puts their name on that one, but this thing here is what I ran in the mud truck with those big tires and didn't have any issues. So one thing we got to do now is hook this up, sync it, and of course line up the horn before we install it. So let me go ahead and get this put in here. There should be steering. Okay, now I got to get another screw for the horn, so I'll be right back. Alright, found one problem. This shackle here that holds the link onto the axle was moving around. I had to take it apart, tighten it up, because it was kind of doing this number here, and I was wondering why my steering was like moving around a lot. Much better. Much better. Much better. Get that back up here on top. Alright, get the remainder screws back in. I'm going to loosen these two up here real quick. Go ahead and unplug the battery. Okay, now put the other two back in. And the fun one here, the one that goes behind the wire. Since I got them all started now, this is the one I'll just go ahead and tighten up first. Then I'll do the one that's opposite. It don't matter anymore. Okay. Well, this is a 20 kg, but this one's been in this truck for a long time. I mean, a good couple years, and I just think it's outlasted its lifespan. So let's go ahead and get the tires back on here. Get that started back. Yeah, amazing when you run into like green stuff, how you get all kinds of extra things you really didn't want to haul around. Okay. Let's get this other side done. And another back one. I need to figure out. This thing had a chassis removed a long time ago back here, it's been cut. So I had to put some extensions here for the bumper, and they always get bent and moved around a lot now. It's almost like I need to just get a what do you call it, some chassis rails and just take this apart and redo it, but truthfully, I'm not doing all that. Alright, so let's make sure this is nice and dry. What is this to? Oh yeah, I'm not supposed to hook that back up. Alright, I don't think. No. Alright. Okay, I'll be right back. Yeah, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and order some new axle housings because these things are worn. Okay, so I'm going to have to order new housings, and here's why. You see, it looks like it's fine here, but if I put a little pressure here, I'm getting a wobble in here somewhere. Now, it looked like a wobble from the other side until I turned it upside down. Steers good right now. Thing's loud. It's not as bad as I thought it was. I thought it was when I was looking at it from this side. Yeah, see, I am seeing a wobble right here where the pan hard is. Oh, it's the pan hard moving. I gotta tighten it up. Oh Lord, that was loose. Try this again. Okay. I guess it wasn't as bad as I thought it was. But anyway, that's it. We're done. So. Gonna get deeper on that going right now.
So where do I go?
I don't know. Yeah. This way. Okay guys, well thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and remember, have fun with RCs.